Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're gonna do on this episode is give you the latest and greatest news regarding MELD. So a lot has been happening with this project. Currently, we are on MELD.com, and guys, this has been a project that we've been following for over a year now. So since inception, since the ISPO. So guys, if you can so kindly smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below. And by the way, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, especially because we're going to be talking about some meme tokens. So I want to go through all this with you, and I want this to be a little bit longer, but a more, in-depth video on MELD. So guys, MELD, first of all, is a layer one. It's a new layer one. And the idea of MELD, macro-wise, is they want to be the crypto banking go-to place. So it's a non-custodial wallet that you can set up, okay? And with that wallet, you can do lending and borrowing. So they bought a bank, okay? And you're going to be able to hold your fiat and crypto on-ramp, off-ramp, do your lending and borrowing, and you're going to be doing your banking. So you're integrating crypto and fiat, and you're getting the best of both worlds with low fees, fast transactions, etc. This is perfect for real world assets, those RWAs, right? This is great for, it's a DeFi play. It's going to be awesome. And now there's a meme token. They have a DEX. Guys, I've been talking about it for a while. This is not a small project. Look at what they achieved in 2023. So shout out to Ken. Shout out to the team. Ken, we got to do another interview. So message the Moose. Ken's left me on red, guys, for so long. He's a big shot now, and he's like, Moose, you only have so many subscribers. Like, I'm not even going to hang out with you. So anyways, that's another side note. But guys, head over to MELD.com. If you guys want, you can also use the link tree. So I've set up the link tree for you all to get the best use case out of this channel. So basically, whenever there's a new project, I'll have it up here. So one of which we're going to talk about in this video. And I'm also going to share some love in alpha on that specific project, but also with another meme token as well. The first thing that we're going to do here is just open up the MELD app. Okay, so all you're going to do is go to MELD app, and you're going to set up a wallet if you have not done that already. So you can definitely go to the channel, type in MELD app, and I have tutorials on this. I have a lot of videos. So for example, how to set up a MELD app beta wallet. You'll be able to set up your wallet and do your wallet recovery. So this is what it looks like. You can also restore your wallet, etc. So this is an account that I've already logged into ahead of time. So this is what it will look like. And as you can see here, I've got a bunch of RAWDOG. So if you guys are wondering, I did pick up some of this meme token. So I have done some tutorials. We're going to talk about that in a little bit. But ultimately, right now, what's available is the overview of the wallet. So you can connect your NAMI, you can use Wallet Connect, and you also have your staking. So some of my staking finally ended, so I got to take out my liquid staking, and that was cool, and I picked up some RAWDOG. So that's it on that end. So guys, this is a new layer one, ultimately. That's what I want to get at. So this is not just a small project. It's not just an altcoin on Cardano. This supports the top 6 leading blockchains. Okay, so this is a big deal. This is really cool. So it's the world's first global on-chain neobank powered by blockchain. So this is powerful. There's so much happening here. I truly believe that. Guys, comment down below on a scale of 1 to a loose moose. How loose are you on this project? Okay, so MELD is a new layer one. We're done with that. So let's get into Dev Diaries 101. So Dastin, guys, we got to show Dastin Adamowski some love. So the guy's just been publishing. He's probably typing right now, working on Dev Diaries 102. So we got to show him some love as well. So what's going on with this? By the way, this is my first time looking at this Dev Diaries. I obviously know what's up and what's happening because I'm organized with it. But let's take a look here if there's anything interesting. So fixed issues with the MELD Akamon bridge. Collaborated with the Azomi team, of course, for the upcoming official DApp release. So that's already happened, which we'll talk about. Developed a brand new section for the Azomi LP token in the wallet tab, etc. So guys, all this has been happening and it's incredible. Fixed issues with the maxed bridge amount button when using MetaMask. So that's a big deal because with the Azomi Dex, which we'll talk about here in a minute, it supports MetaMask. So perhaps I'll be doing a tutorial on that as well. Comment down below if you want to see that. So with the mobile app, continued with the official iOS App Store release preparation. So this is big. This is something that I know most of you are waiting for. Me as an Apple user, I'm using an iMac and I got an iPhone. I am looking forward to this. So continued testing and polishing the exchange flow, crypto to crypto swaps, crypto fiat off ramp. So this is a big deal, guys. Something like this has never been done before. And guys, it's a layer one. Like, this project is super undervalued in my opinion. It's unbelievable. So, I mean, when even a quarter of this stuff gets done, it's just unbelievable. Guys, by the way, I believe Chang hard fork's going to happen. So I don't know if you guys wait for New Year's, but the moose is going to get loose, going to have like 19 cocktails and then try to go to bed. But I mean, if Chang hard fork's happening, that's going to be pretty sweet. So guys, comment down below. What do you think of the Dev Diaries? Guys, Dastin, guys, like, Ken, you need to give him a promotion. Dastin's been crushing it with these. And the moose can't even read. Actually, before we even get to that, let's talk about the big news, which is Azomi. So Azomi is the first DEX on MELD. And it works. I've been using it. In fact, this is what it looks like. So I've got my wallet connected with MELD. So just to give you guys a visual, it's pretty exciting, right? So if I click MELD here and I click on, I don't know, ADA, it looks like, I don't know what the liquidity is like, but it does work. So I could sell 1,000 or 10,000 MELD and I can swap and get ADA. So the Azomi Dex is up and running. These are the different tokens. So you got GMELD, that's in there. You got RAWDOG, MELD, ADA, AVAX, BTC, DOG, which is a new meme token we'll talk about, Ethereum. And by the way, I don't know how legit US or UMSU is. I think somebody just like made up a token. So guys, just be weary. You know, even when you're getting into like RAWDOG or other tokens, just understand it's a meme. I think they're going to do well because, you know, there's opportunity there in the early stages. But we'll talk about that in a minute. But guys, Azomi, congratulations on that. I think that is absolute fire. And guys, just too much has happened. Like, the moose just can't get loose enough. Like, it's 10:30 p.m. I got stuff to do and I got to cover this. Unbelievable stuff. Actually, we'll take a look at Azomi. So it's a first DEX swap. You can even provide liquidity. So this is their Twitter. Guys, I recommend you follow them if you want. Moose is already following them. RAWDOG and DOG. So these tokens are trending right now. RAWDOG has taken the lead. Personally, I think RAWDOG looks a little bit better. But if you guys are interested, check out DOG. It's another meme token. I believe it's called like DogeMeld or something like that. I didn't pick any up. I think RAWDOG is going to be the winner. It's just got kind of a little more going for it, which we'll talk about as well. Market cap is much higher now. So it is what you think it is. It's an egregious meme token, but it works. RAWDOG pumps, that's what it's called. Let's go to the website here in a minute as well. You know, no pulling out when you invest. I think this thing's going to work. So I have done 2 videos on this. So if you guys take a look here on the Crypto Moose channel, if you go under videos, there are 2 new videos. Okay, so this one will be next, this video you're watching now. How to add liquidity and how to buy RAWDOG with MELD. So basically in this video, I am picking up Cardano and then we're going from ADA to MELD, then MELD to RAWDOG. So I show you guys step by step in this video. And then from there, you can also provide liquidity. Know that potentially this token can appreciate very swiftly. So I recommend as an investor to potentially hold some tokens liquid. Do not provide all of your liquidity. I'm just being honest with you guys. So I'm not even providing any liquidity. I did it for the tutorial and I already took my liquidity out. Will I do it in the future in a bit? I have no idea. I just think that this token will pump because the market cap is still low. So that's my 2 cents on that. Let's actually get into the wallet and kind of what's going on here. So guys, comment down below if you picked up some of these. And here we've got define.fi. So let's hit it with the refresh. So I will have a link posted down in the description below. And if you guys want, you can check out the token price and kind of see what you have going on with it. So this token's been appreciating. And if we take a look here, the market cap, we're at 440,000. Ultimately, I think RAWDOG out of both meme tokens, I'm just being transparent, not bashing on DOG, but RAWDOG I think is going to do better. I mean, it's kind of the same name, RAWDOG and DOG, or DOG or Doge MELD. Anyways, I think this might work. And here are the tokenomics as well. So you have 69 million, of course. Oh my God. It's all about supply and demand. RAWDOGonomics. All right, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. RAWDOGonomics were engineered from the ground up with the cap supply and built in incentives to create more and more demand. The result, RAWDOG pumps. So a 1% tax on buys and sells is paid directly to Pumpers Club. So this is one thing I want to mention, the Pumpers Club. So guys, if you want, join the Telegram. And the Moose has been in there. I've actually been quite active in there. I also got into the MELD Hive. So shout out, you guys can hit me up. I use my regular name in there. If you guys go to Pumpers Club, I recommend you put in your email or info and you get the launch update. So a lot of this has not come out yet. This, you know, I can't even say anything anymore. I can't even say come out or anything like that or certain words. So anyways, that's what's going on. So yeah, that's going to be that with RAWDOG and DOG, the meme tokens. The other thing I just want to mention is that there are also incredible NFTs with MELD. So guys, let's check out MELD Diamond Hand NFTs. So right now, these are 618 for a floor. I mean, the Moose might even sweep up some of these. I believe this will give you free membership for the MELD app. And then the actual bank managers are going to give you a specific yield for the lending and borrowing side. So these are the 2 NFTs as well. I do have some of these. I got them from the ISPO and I got to mint them. And guys, like MELD all across the board. I mean, you check it out yourself, but I think there's massive opportunity here. So guys, check out the link tree. We also have online courses. We have direct links to RAWDOG and other stuff. We're also doing a giveaway. So we also only have a couple days left. This is the giveaway. I am giving away a 1Key Classic 1S. And this wallet is awesome. So I've already reviewed it again on the channel. Guys, the Moose has been getting loose. And we're going to pump with RAWDOG. So we'll see you in the next one, guys.